And now Beth Nardone is going to show us an upcoming innovation from General Motors. Beth?
Thanks, John. Last year we talked about how nearly all of the Japanese car companies were developing cars with four-wheel steering. At the time, GM wasn't talking about their four-wheel steering system. But on a recent visit to Detroit, we finally got to see what they've been doing. They showed us a 1986 Chevy Celebrity that had been modified with four-wheel steering. And it worked like other four-wheel steering cars we've seen. With the rear wheels turning opposite the front ones, the Celebrity had a 20% smaller turning circle. And with the rear wheels turning in the same direction as the front, the car had much better high-speed stability. The system here works with an electric motor that drives a steering rack at the rear. The motor is controlled by a computer that makes decisions based on the car's speed and the position of the front wheels. But this Celebrity isn't the only four-wheel steering car running around on the proving ground. GM is also engineering a rear-drive four-wheel steering car. And they're using 4 different kinds of steering systems, which range from fully mechanical to fully electronic. The point of all the research is to figure out which system is practical for production and on which cars. Whatever they decide, GM engineers predict the system will be a $1,000 option by the time it gets to the showrooms. And that won't happen sooner than the 1989 model year. GM is looking at four-wheel steering a little differently than the Japanese. The Japanese emphasize the performance advantage of four-wheel steering. GM will concentrate on the practical. Because the system improves maneuverability, they may offer it on station wagons and large cars, not just performance cars. John?
Thanks, Beth.